Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to monitor someone on Discord. Monitoring in Discord usually refers to tracking activities such as messages sent in channels, server participation, or bot interactions. Discord provides built-in tools for server admins such as audit logs. To access audit logs, click on your server name in the top left and go to Server Settings. Scroll down until you find Audit Log under Moderation, and here you will see the logs. These logs help maintain server safety and moderation. You can also use bots to monitor activity such as tracking message counts, reactions, or voice channel participation. Popular moderation bots include MEE6 Dino or Carlbot, which allow customizable logs and alerts for specific events. It is important to respect privacy and follow Discord rules. You cannot access private DMs without consent. Monitoring should be limited to server activities and moderation purposes only. We learned how to monitor server activities using Discord audit logs and bots to track member activity responsibly. This helps ensure proper moderation while respecting user privacy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.